Do another quick video. Someone commented on the last video that, you know, those terms that I put up aren't specifically Mayo, and I'm not saying that they definitely aren't specifically Carrotide, because I'm aware that I think in Munster they say Mri in their spoken Irish, or Munly, probably something like that. Speakers in Munster Irish will be able to clarify in the comments. But Bun, I've not heard in spoken Irish. Now, obviously, those terms do exist in songs. Like, well, I think Tamatoya has Mri in one of his songs. I think it's is it Tamatoya wrote in Shandon Nacham, and it's Lemri Og or something like that. But I don't hear it in South Connemara Irish anymore. Someone as a speaker of that dialect or is more familiar with it. Maybe it's out in Narasaniach or somewhere like that, but I've not heard it myself personally. But yeah, that's just one of the things that kind of stands out to me about Mayo as opposed to Connemara. Not to say it doesn't exist in South Donegal as well. I find a lot of crossover with South Donegal. James Donegal Irish, a lot of this I probably haven't plagued putting comments under his videos saying, "Oh, say that in Kertag." But yeah, some of the things aren't, uniquely Mayo. I am going to give you something that I think is uniquely Mayo Irish, and it existed in Tourmacady as well, but it's gone out of as the Gaeltacht this weekend in the Yukon and Tourmacady. It's weakened a good bit. But I remember talking to Tomás Amala, or Tom the Doc, and he said, yeah, this is how he would pronounce it and how it traditionally would have been pronounced. So everyone's familiar with the fact that in Munster, Shaw and then Shaw is pronounced So and then Son. Well, in Mayo and in Connemara has to say, sometimes you hear them say Shud down road, or Shova as well. In Mayo, with the exception of Ackling, when I come to Ackling on it, you'll often hear them say, especially in Ackling, and show an notch as a Danik ma, showy notch in the ruguma, or tush and show. And in Ackling, inside the Belmullet and Blackside, it nearly sounds like a sneeze when they say an sho. So they say a chow, with the chow in it, it's tush a chain. Ackle is different. It's kind of more like Donegal, the way they say it. They'll say show and unshow. And actually in recordings of northeast Mayo, Ox Mountain Irish, they kind of, Maggie McGiff in particular says it like that as well.